Children, I am going to start the new topic of the chapter Children and Women in Sports. The topic for the day is common postural deformities and their corrective measure. What is the topic for the day? The topic for the day is common postural deformities and their corrective measure. Children, there are many types of postural deformities and it reduces the efficiency of individual to great extent. Children, when any person will got the any type of the postural deformities, it will reduce the efficiency of individual. The deformity can easily be corrected. The deformities can be easily corrected or prevented if early steps are taken. When you got any type of the deformity, when you will take the early steps, you can control or you can minimize. Okay? There are many types of the corrective asanas, exercises which are helpful to correct these postural deformities. There are following deformities in your syllabus. The first deformity is known by kyphosis. What is kyphosis? Children, what is kyphosis? Kyphosis is derived from Greek word kyphos. Kyphosis is derived from Greek word kyphos, which means a hump. The meaning of kyphos means a hump. It is a condition It is a condition where abnormal curvature of the spine occur. In the backward or posterior curve or a decrease or reversed of forward curve. What you have? Listen. Kyphosis is derived from a Greek word kyphos, which means a hump. Children, you get such type of the hump in any person, you can tell this person is suffering from kyphosis. This deformity is often termed a round back. Such type of the deformity is also known by round back. When it takes the form of long, this position is long and rounded curve. Okay. In this deformity, the head is usually carried forward. Head is usually carried forward. Rounded curve. In this deformity, head is usually carried forward. You can see here. Head is looking forward position. Chest is flattened. Chest become flat. Shoulders are round. You can see in this position the shoulder become round. Kyphosis can occur at any age, but such type of the postural deformities are common in the endomorphy. Girls. What is endomorphic? There are three types of the body structure known by somatotype. Endomorphic girls, you will get such type of the postural deformities. It is a cause of new fashion. Okay, such type of the problems you get in the spinal curve. The spinal curve should be straight. Okay, like, but when an individual deform spinal cord becomes such type or the such type of the curve, and you can see in the photo third. This position is correct, standing position, but this girl has deformed. There are many causes leads to the kyphosis. It cause hump. You can see in the camel hump at back of the body. The another cause of the kyphosis is malnutrition. When you will take proper nutritious foods, you will not get the kyphosis. In the some condition due to the illness, it occur, you can get such type of the postural deformities due to crowded area. In the some condition we got the some problems of the kyphosis due to habitual bad posture. So your teacher and parents should pay specific attention from beginning when you start to forming such type of the postural deformities. The role of the teachers and parents are very important to minimize such type of the postural deformity. The another cause of the kyphosis is mental and physical fatigue. What is fatigue? I had taught in the class 11. Tiredness due to mental and physical tiredness. It arises. Weakness is another cause of the kyphosis due to rickets. Rickets is also a cause of kyphosis. Arthritis is also another cause. Such type of the problem you can see in paralyzed person. So paralysis is also another cause of the kyphosis due to severe injury. It arises. The another important cause is carrying heavy weight. On shoulder. So my dear children, avoid to carry weight on the shoulder. Okay? The another cause of the kyphosis is weak muscles. Also is another cause of the kyphosis. In the some condition, shyness among girl is also another cause of the kyphosis. In the some time you will get the unsuitable furniture. So your furniture should be in good condition, then you can avoid it. The next part of the kyphosis is precautions. When you will follow the some precautions, you can minimize it. The precautions are: one should not lean forward during prolonged study. Children, mainly at the time of the examination test, you start to study the longer duration of the times. So physical education tells, and also your principal sir tell, please change your habits and start to study on tables. Do regular exercise. Is very important to avoid such type of the deformities. The another precaution is balanced diet. It is very important for everyone to avoid the different type of the problems. The next important precaution is to learn. What you will learn? The habit of the correct sitting and standing posture. Mostly we get at the time of the morning assembly. When you stand a longer duration of the time, you start to bend forward. So please avoid it. It will improve your smartness. Your teachers and parents should pay specific attention from the beginning. You can minimize it. So these are the precautions. At the time of study, don't bend forward. Do regular physical activity. Take balanced diet. Try to sit and stand in correct posture. And tell to your parents, really, you can remove such type of the problems. Remedial or corrective measure. Remedial measure means corrective measure. How you will remove such type of the problems or how you will minimize it. First and important remedial measure is try to sit in a chair such that your hips should touch the back of the chair. At the time of sitting in a chair, your back position, your hips should be touch the back of the chair. Otherwise, you can deform such type of the postural deformities. By chance you have got it, always keep a pillow under your back at the timing of sitting. My children, those people are suffering from the kyphosis, please advise them, keep a pillow under the back side at the time of sleeping. At the time of sleeping. Bend your head backward. Bending exercises. Bend your head backward in standing position. Always bend your head backward side. because those people are suffering from the kyphosis, bending forward. The some yogic activities like Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is the best yogic activities to remove it. Lay down. On your back. It is also more beneficial for the kyphosis affected person. Backward bending. Bending exercises are more useful to remove it. Reverse sit-ups are also more beneficial to remove it. My dear children, when you will follow our advice to the affected person, they can remove or correct it. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.